Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, January 20, 2025. Rick has made major, I guess we'll call it progress, on our 1954 17-foot Century Resorter. He's got all but the last two frames replaced. Well, I'm going to hand it over to him and let him walk you through where he is.
Okay, well, as we left off the last time, it was with the frames and the bow in the back. As you can see, I removed all the forward planks off in the starboard and the port side. And this was the old Gripe right here. And as you can see, this started right here, right down here, and then it was missing a section which is broke.
I think it disintegrated.
Yeah.
Right.
And then this was the upper part, which was right in here. So as you can see, I had to fabricate a new one. And at this point right now, I've got it in temporarily and all bolted and screwed in place. And as you can see, I got lines here and here. What I'm doing is shaping it so the plywood, when it comes up, it'll hit nice and flat. And then after that, we'll have our center stem put on here.
Oh, and you've got to dig that relief channel in there.
Yeah, and that's what I'm doing right now. It's easier to do it this way than to try to dig it out all in one piece.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the stem on afterwards and then reshape that like it's supposed to be here, which starts out, like I said, down here, and then it comes up and it widens out and it narrows right here, where it comes into your keel. And the keel will butt into here.
That's right.
But that's about where I am so far. I mean,
And what did you conclude on these battens and
the battens
planks?
are gone. The battens are shot.
Yeah.
They're completely just rotted.
That's all white mold that we can see all the way along. The planks themselves, after Rick got them off, I walked around with an awl just to see if there was any integrity left to the planks at all. And the awl just sunk right in, went right through.
Here, they break right there. They're just all brittle. As you can see, it comes off in pieces.
First of all, cosmetically, there's no way we could make this presentable, let alone show ready. But more importantly, the structural integrity would be severely compromised if we tried to do a quick and fast one and just screw these guys back on. Now, if I understand right, Rick, you've got all the frames in, but they're in temporarily,
These
right?
are all in temporarily because they've got to be taken out, and I'll put CPS on all of them, 3 coats.
Right.
And then I'll put them back together, but there'll be 5,200 in between wherever it hits. And,
Right.
and of course, I got to make the new chine rails too.
On both sides,
On
right?
both sides.
Both of them.
So there's still quite a bit of
Right.
work to do before I put the skin on, or even make the skin.
Well, it's nice to see this nose coming together. And you gave it a hit a little while ago and it didn't move. We tried that before when just the, whatever you want to characterize this stuff as, and it damn near fell out.
Oh yeah, it's completely all dry rotted.
Yeah.
Nothing left to it. That would not hold up.
Not very long. No. So we'll let Rick keep working on shaping the stem and the Gripe, and we'll be back to you when we've made the next stage of progress. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.